So here is question 4 on graded homework 1. And it's the length of a single bond. It just gives us a number, a measurement. And that is 0.0, a lot of zeros here. I'm not even going to draw it out, right, because I'll mess it up. There's the decimal. And what the question asks is to express it in scientific notation. And the only thing you need to know about scientific notation, right, is that there is only one digit to the left of the decimal. So we're going to move this as many places it takes to get the decimal there, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1.5 is what we're shooting for, and to do that we have to move it 10 places. This is a very small number, and it became 1.5. So whenever a small number becomes a bigger number, that makes a negative exponent. So that's going to be 1.5 times 10 to the minus 10th. And these are expressed in meters. So we moved the decimal, so there's only one digit to the left. And then we went from small number, fraction, to a whole number, 1.5, well, a number greater than 1. And that means it's a negative decimal. So here's question 5. I'm tempted to not even answer this one. So, because this is a kind of a basic definition one that I want you to know. That while performing an experiment in lab, a student records a physical measurement just as 4.45. That's it. And what you're supposed to notice is that there are no units there. There are no units, so we don't know anything about it at all. So we can't make judgments whether it's precise, accurate, imprecise. More importantly, numbers that are measurements must consist of the number and the measurement, otherwise they are meaningless. Question 6 here is just a knowledge question. And you're going to see one of these on the exam, you know, which one of the following prefixes is used in the metric system or which one of the following is not used. And you just want to identify it. You can go down the list if you don't know that, but what is used? Penta, meta, deci, or hepta. In the prefix system, so in this case we're talking about these ones that are, you know, like go in front of, say, the base unit, gram. So penta's not there, meta's not there, hepta's not there. Deci is one of them, right? And so that would be the kind of things you're looking for. It could be one I ask you which one is not. So you just need to know those prefixes. Okay, here's a good problem. This is question 7. And good problem, I say, because it's a quick way for me to ask you to do several things. So which of the following corresponds to the greatest mass? The only way to tell is to get these all in the same units. And we can pick whatever unit we want to. Let's pick the base unit, and let's pick grams. So we have to convert 0.75 pounds into grams, kilograms into grams. This is already in grams, and then we put milligrams, convert that into grams. And that's the way you want to do this. And you can use a variety of conversion factors here, but the one I've asked you or told you that I think is particularly good is 554 grams equals 1 pound. So in this particular problem, it would be a matter of starting with 0.75 pounds, canceling pounds, grams up here, and that's 454 grams for every 1 pound. Cancel that, pounds, and you get the number of grams. And then kilograms, it's going to be 0.75 kilograms. We need grams, so we're going to cancel kilograms. Goes on the bottom. Grams goes on top. There are 1,000 grams in 1 gram, and that's our answer. And that's where you're going to come to the answer on this problem number 7. Get them all in the same units, and you can easily compare to find out which one is the greatest mass.